Welcome back to my channel. So I want to introduce you to the easiest way to make money you ever going to do in anywhere online. WeShare Abundance is totally free to join and you don't need to buy anything to make money online. So I'd like you to learn what we offer in our community. WeShare Abundance is a program that aims on building a community that functions much like a nation. It intends to have its own ecosystem within the ITS cooperative. Here you are guaranteed to make a 50% profit as long as you complete the tasks. WeShare Abundance has 7 levels of participations. These are free pool 1, pool 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Each pool has a subscription fee. Pool 1 is $2, pool 2 and so on and so forth up to 6 is $100. Each member, regardless of pool status, has to complete tasks on a daily basis, which is to log in and read inbox messages. When a member does this, they are paid a daily login reward, and if all messages are read by the end of the month, they can keep 100% of their reward. There is an affiliate referral aspect to this program. When a member refers a person who stakes a pool, they earn 10% commission paid to them. They also earn 10% if that person refers a member who chooses to stake. If a member refers someone new each month that stakes in the month, they also have an ability to earn an additional percentage on everything that they acquired in the month for a total of 30%. Another way a member can earn is in our prize draw each month. This usually takes place on first day of the month. For as long as a member stakes during the month in any pools, they are placed randomly in a 5 times matrix to infinity. Depending where you land in that matrix, you could win an additional cash prizes as a bonus. So that's WeShare Abundance, and we have one clear vision, one shared goal. So if we go to my login details here, but this is our website. We have a USD wallet here which will show you the information of the transactions. This is the date for today, the 7th of October, and my closing balance is $150 and here is my daily $5 being given to me, and here's my daily $5 in my account, and you can see the status is still pending because this money will be given at the end of the month. If I scroll down, and I'll show you when I started. Here I started on the 5th of September, and the first step is to just reward for verifying email. I got paid 50 cents. And then what I've done, I log in as a free member, then I was given 1 cent. And then I created my wallet on that same day, 5th of September. I was given $1. I have completed my profile here. On that same day, I was given a free 50 cents. Then, the following day, I log in as a free member and I was given 1 cent. So basically, when you are a free member, you will receive 1 cent. That same day, on the 6th of September, I have been given $25 because I was an action taker. So there is a cashback offer. You will get $25 if you take action within 48 hours, and this is free for everyone who is going to join within 48 hours of registration. The following day, I was given $5, and because I did my daily login, was given a reward. So bear in mind, this $25 for cashback is only available for pool 6 stakers. I will show you shortly about this in a moment. Basically, I got paid already from the beginning of the 5th of September. We will get paid every end of the month. What I've done, as you can see, paid. You see lots of paid amount here. $5, and this is without referrals. But the idea of this community is to refer people. Okay, so you get extra payment or commission if you refer people. level, which I have mentioned already. You get 10% on first and second level, which is $10, or it depends which pools they are going to join. So long as you get somebody, you will receive a commission depending which pool they're going to join you. So as you can see, everything is increasing here. Okay, paid, $5 paid, $5 paid, $5 paid, $5 paid, and here we are going to the end of the month. Paid $5, in total $152.02. Daily login reward for pool 6 members, which I am in pool 6, which is elite member. On that same day, 1st of October, so we start all over again, you'll find the total amount from here to go there, because you are paid already, or I've been paid already on the 3rd. It was already in my USD wallet, it's been processed, and I read 18 messages, 18 out of 18. So it is very important to read the messages every day. If you see one, do not skip them. Please read them, because otherwise your money will reduce. So it's very important. Minimum of 6 seconds that you need to read them. It says here USD balance adjusted by 100% from 152.02 to 152.02. So I received 2.286 WESA credited to my account. So that time, on the 1st of October, the WESA token has increased to $66.49. When I first started on the 5th of September, the WESA token was about $33 US, and now, just 4 weeks afterwards, it has increased its value to $66.49. So because of that increase, all members of staking pools has received adjustment to price, which is 120. So anyone who are in pool 6, which I am, has received $120 US extra into my WESA USD wallet. And so from there, it says adjustment for price increase in WESA last month on active stakes. Because I'm doing my task every day, so I was given $120 US. So that is very cool. Now we start again every day logging. So we are able to get all the benefit of the $5 each day. As you can see, it's pending right now, so that keeps adding up. So we are here right now, 7th of October, $5 US, 150. That's my closing balance, because I log in every day. I sometimes get message 1 a day, or nothing a day, or 2 a day, as simple as that. Before I finish my staking, I had to restake on that same just before I finish my staking validity. Like I said, this is the status of mine is pending, because we will receive the payment in our USD wallet, or they give us WESA tokens at the end of the month, and we'll start all over again. So if I go to, and I'll show you the home page, because there are lots of information that you need to know, you need to understand. Even I'm still learning, because I am a brand new member to this community. So you got the home page here. You need to familiarize yourself with this. You can click each of this individually to find out more about WeShare Abundance. It is a very, very good community. Graham, the person who is the owner for this one, is for this community, is an amazing man. He helps a lot of people. He does a lot of work for this. We do have a Facebook support there. When Graham do his update for WeShare Abundance every 7 p.m. UK time, please do come and watch. It is important to hear everything coming from the owner, because he will update us for everything, because we are still on beta. If we go down here, so please take time, do not rush, everything will come eventually. So please read everything what is written here and understand everything. We use the value of WESA tokens, which is for WeShare Abundance, and you can find WESA tokens in Waves Exchange. And this is calculated each month based on the distribution, to which is limited to a total of 20,000 tokens per month. Face value is always guaranteed within our nation, cannot be reduced. So it's a win-win situation in here. And also we do funds, taking orphans to Disneyland, providing clean water where it is lacked, starting agriculture in areas of famine, planting trees as a part of agricultural projects. 10% of the charity fund is always allocated to self-realization fellowship, as without their teachings this nation would not exist. Okay, and also there's a quote here: everything offered to our citizens is a gift from the nation and not guaranteed. The only guarantee is that any WESA tokens deposited may at any time be requested and returned to the member, less any amounts already withdrawn. If you are interested in joining We Share Abundance, please take time to go here. So these are the first steps that you must do. How to become an active citizen of We Share Abundance. It's important to be active in doing this so to be successful, and we can generate income by serving and sharing love. You need to register. The instructions are here. You verify your email. Like it says, I've shown you already that you get paid when you verify your email address. The video is here how to do it. Complete your profile, which is again you're gonna get paid by doing so. Add your wallet address where we'll send you your withdrawals. The video is at the bottom here, so watch it please. Do it slowly. It's quite a lot to take in this. Then number 5, stake pools to increase your income. There is pool 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the maximum is 6 pools. And you have, if you choose to stake 6 pools within 48 hours of registration, like I mentioned a while ago, you will receive an instant $25 cashback into your USD wallet. And again, there's learn how to stake pools here. Log in each day. It's very important. You need to be active. You only need about 5 minutes of your time. Read any messages, which I mentioned already. And number 8, share the love by letting people have your referral link. And this way you can find people and you can share this amazing program, and then they can be also be part of our community, and you will get 10% of the first level and second level. So that's $10 if they stake 6 pools. So I'm just going to show you pool options here. It will take you here. Free members. For free members, you can stake for 90 days. Meaning if you are a member as free, you can be free member for 90 days only, 3 months only. And after 3 months, if you don't stake, then you are going to be removed from the community. So if you're a free member, you will get 1 cent per day. Just messaging 3 times a month. You get bonus messaging pool allocated, and your personal referrals and referrals made by people you have referred to levels. If you're a free member, if you cannot afford yet to go to the pools 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, be a free member, but make sure you find people or share this community. And if they stake on pool 1, pool 2, pool 3, you get commission, and that means when you get commission, you are going to be entitled to stake pool 1 depending on how much they're going to stake. So if you're pool 1, you can stake 30 days. Pool 2, pool 3, 4, 5, and 6, you can stake up to pool 6, and they're all 30 days validity. If you stake on pool 1, you will have to pay $2.50, and you have to put add to cart, and at the bottom you have to check out. And pool 2, you will receive 15 cents per day by logging in every day for 30 days, and you'll have to pay $3.75 for this. And again, pool 3, it's going to be 25 cents per day. You have to pay $6.25 in order to get 25 cents. So you have to work your way up. It doesn't matter if you started as a free member. You have 90 days to find people to get into our community, and that way you can earn your commission, and that means you can stake the pool 1, pool 2, pool 3, and so on and so forth until you reach the pool 6. So it's important to do that when you are a free member. I mentioned this already, we do have a Facebook group that is for everyone to join in and for us to listen to the owner. All the instructions will be there, so please make sure you watch it when you have time, or you can watch the replay as well, just to be up to date. If you did all these steps from step 1 to 8 and that's it, you don't need to worry about or chase money again. Just enjoy being a member of our Cloud Nation or our We Share Abundance, and that's all we do here. If you are interested in joining our community, please do contact me by Facebook, or you can leave a comment. I have a link in the description and a comment as well. Try to listen to us, try to watch before you even make a start, so you know what this is all about. So that's it for me now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you again. Bye for now.